In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited vibe code using Claude Code or Cursor without paying a single dollar or even touching a credit or debit card. First, open your browser, type in Rovo Dev and click on the very first link, the one from Atlassian. On that page, go ahead and click the Try It Now button. Now, enter your email ID. Don't worry, it's completely free. No card details required, just your email. After you enter it, click on Sign Up. Check your inbox because you'll be receiving a confirmation code. Copy that code and paste it right here. Now, it's going to ask for your name and for you to create a password. Go ahead and set those up now. Click Continue and it will take you to your dashboard. Rovo is going to create your site automatically. Just click the Agree and Continue button. Give it a few seconds to build, and there we go. Click Get Started, then select GitHub Cloud. Keep hitting Next until you see the Rovo Dev CLI section. Now, since I'm using a Windows machine, I'm going with the Windows setup. Pay attention here. Choose x64 if you have an Intel or AMD processor or ARM for Qualcomm. Copy that first command and paste it into your PowerShell. Let it install. To confirm everything is set up, we'll run the second command from the Atlassian site. Paste that into PowerShell. Now, we need to authenticate. Go back to Rovo Dev and look for the Atlassian account step. You need to create an API token. They'll verify you with an 8-digit code sent to your email. Grab it, paste it, and click Verify. Once verified, click Create API Token. Give it a name. I'll just call mine AD. Hit Create, and now we authenticate in the terminal. Type robodev auth login. Enter your email, then paste that API key you just copied. Press enter, and boom! Authentication successful. Now, let's run the CLI. It operates just like Claude Code. On Windows, don't forget to add the dot and slash before the command. It might download a quick update. Just be patient, guys. It's starting the agent. And there is our guy, Rovo Dev. You can chat with this interface. Type // to see your options. Clear, config, copy. But the most important part, the models. You've got Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Haiku, and GPT-4o. I'm going with GPT-4o. I'm also turning on YOLO mode because YOLO auto approves all the changes in your code so you can just keep moving. I'm giving it a task. Create a clone of the ChatGPT website and name it Ally GPT. I love vibe coding, guys. I really do. We all do. The agent is working, creating the src files, elements. I'll speed up the video for you here. It's generating a lot of code. Now, if the agent hits a snag or the command line seems busy, don't panic. We can do it manually. Rovo gives us the directions right here. Open your cmd cd into the directory, run npm install, and then npm run dev. Oh, let me just update my npm real quick. And we are live. It generated a full UI in under 5 minutes. Not bad. I think I need to keep working on my prompting skills, or what Andrej Karpathy calls context engineering. Yeah, both terms introduced by him. I love these terms. Shout out to Mr. Karpathy. Thanks for watching, guys. To stop the agent, just hit Ctrl+C. I'm heading out for today. Have a great day.